Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce you to a service I've been signed up for about 8 or 9 months, and it is a buyer's club where they purchase the marketing tools for you, and as a monthly member you get to create your own personalized account, not a shared account, with any of the available packages that they've got. Now if you could pick up any time by going to cheapim.com, I'll just show you some of the recent updates. So this product here, Videos Agency, they normally have the price here, but it's probably about $40 or $50, as most of them are. But so all you have to do is just write down the name of the item or items, and then send a support ticket over to Carl, which is this guy here, and he'll set you up with a personalized account normally within 24 hours, but he says up to 48 hours because it's a job that he does himself, so it gets done properly. So basically you can get any of these apps, services, software, training. All you have to do is drop in a ticket. Now there's 3 price levels. You'll see some of them have got a little triangle with the 1130. Just show you the price quickly, the pricing. The package I'm on is founding member monthly. I signed up back in December of 2019, and I've been using it ever since then. I'm paying monthly since then. That one gives me full access to everything, and priority access to other assets and all of the 1130 apps and so on, and also it's locked in, so when the price goes up I'll be grandfathered in into that price. You get extra PLR articles and all sorts. But the 1130 package is you get to choose one product per month, and you get a limited selection of products, but it is better than nothing. And for the yearly package with $399 a year, you get everything the founding member gets, and also direct access to second month assets. I think I've already got those, which is these things here. So you get monthly content emails, you get more PLR software training. This is one that I tried. It's a straight box SEO and Nuke VPS. So it's basically a VPS, high quality VPS with good CPU and RAM allocation, and it's got a whole load of SEO tools, so video editing tools, keyword tools, spinning tools. Let me show you here. So access personal via remote, so normal VPS. Let me show you the sales page. So it will be this package here, SE Nuke VPS, normally $30 a month. You only pay $15, and for that you get access to all sorts of tools. I mean, some really advanced, crazy tools. But once you sign up, they give you the full list and full access. Obviously, they don't list it here, but you can always you can send them an email and ask them what is included, but they don't list it all openly. But it's a lot of tools. So that is one of the perks. You get SE Nuke VPS half price, and also you get free. He offers you a free hosting package. You can host your website and your not your domain, your website. He'll host a website for you. So let me just quickly show you a few more apps. So some of the ones that I use: Let Mailbox, EverZippy, MugJam I used, WP Auto Writer, Media Cloud, GDPR My Site, WebSuite Pro, Domain Watch and Domain Millionaire, Market Presso, WP Content Factory, Pagify, WP EasyRank, WP Profit Tent. So just on the one that I've chosen, that's several $100 worth of apps and services. Story Machine, I believe I used. Video Stack Pages, Vid Pop-Ups, Max Funnels I still use. Max Drive I still use. I signed up to all of these. but I don't use all of them straight away. I just sign up to get my account, and slowly I get into them. My traffic tracker, I paid for version 1, but via the Buyers Club I've got version 2. Which one did I sign up for recently? Leads Gorilla, Sing, Synthesis. On a Synthesis, you don't get access to it directly. You can send him the details and he'll do it on your behalf. Let me see. And these ones I haven't signed up for yet, so I need to sign up for these 5 here. So let me show you this ticket I sent today because I had an issue with my login. I don't know why. I think it's my password manager gets it mixed up. But you just send him a ticket and he will give you access to the apps. I can't click on it because it will show you all my login details. But yeah, these. Let me see. Okay. I just leave them open, it doesn't matter anyway, but you get your details in your support dashboard, also emailed to you. And this is your own personal account, it's not a shared account. And here you see I've got a problem with my dashboard here, so I need to get this password reset. So you get a massive selection of apps. It's a monthly price $37, but you can get a yearly one for $3.99. And you see he's got these 3 upcoming. Now this one I believe is, here we go, the value is $164, value $235, and value $84. So just out of these 3, if you use these 3, then you're making your yearly fee just from these 3 apps. Okay, yeah, he's put some more values here. $297. Let me see these ones. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'll say $114, $37.97 a month. What is this? Okay, looks interesting. As you can see, there are a lot of apps here to use, and there's quite a few in the $11.30 bracket as well. And if you're into internet marketing and you are wasting your money on tools right now, stop buying tools. Sign up for this. Try this for a few months. See how it goes. And you'll probably end up saving all that money you're going to buy all these apps and just pay one subscription, and you'll get extra features on top, and you can get yourself a nice VPS for $15 a month, which is very cheap. So if you go to cheapim.com, you'll pick up this package, and there's a link in the description below. So if you do pick it up, that would be great, and I'll see you in the next review. Thanks, bye.